Let's start with the Moen Arbor Smart Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Known for its advanced features, this faucet offers voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it hands-free. It also has a wave sensor for touchless operation and an LED temperature indicator for convenience. Installation is designed to be straightforward with Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system, making it a viable option for someone without plumbing expertise. However, the inclusion of smart features requires a stable Wi-Fi connection, which adds an extra layer of complexity. Next, we have the Delta Faucet Trinsic VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet. This model combines the power of voice commands with touch activation, allowing users to operate it by touching anywhere on the spout. Its durable diamond seal valve minimizes leaks, and the magnetic docking keeps the spray head securely in place. While installation is relatively simple, the VoiceIQ system may require some technical setup. If you're new to plumbing, Delta provides comprehensive instructions, though enlisting a professional might be more comfortable for some. The KOHLER Sensate Touchless Kitchen Faucet is another standout. This faucet responds to the wave of a hand almost instantly and features sweep spray technology for a powerful blade of water, making it great for tackling tough messes. Its vibrant stainless finish is both stylish and durable. The faucet's magnetic docking system ensures the spray head stays firmly in place. While installation involves single or multi-hole setups, KOHLER's detailed guides make it achievable for beginners. However, some users might find the high-tech components slightly daunting. For those seeking a sleek commercial look, the Kraus Bolden Commercial Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet offers a HighArc spout and dual-function spray head. Its spot-free stainless steel finish keeps it looking clean, and the compact design is perfect for smaller kitchens. Installation is straightforward, even for first-timers, as Kraus includes easy-to-follow instructions. That said, the lack of touchless or smart features may leave tech enthusiasts wanting more. The Grohe Zedra Touch Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet combines elegant design with innovative touch technology. It operates with a simple touch anywhere on the spout and features a pull-down spray head with stream and spray options. Its stain-resistant finishes keep it looking pristine over time. Installation is relatively simple for those with basic DIY skills, though the touch-sensitive design can be tricky to get just right during setup. Consulting the manual thoroughly can save time and frustration. Finally, the Hansgrohe Metris Select HighArc Kitchen Faucet offers a unique approach with its select button for controlling water flow. The HighArc spout is ideal for filling large pots, and its premium finishes ensure durability. While the faucet doesn't include smart or touchless features, its ergonomic design stands out. Installation is manageable for beginners, but the placement of the select button may require careful attention to ensure ease of use. So what's the verdict? For tech enthusiasts, the Moen Arbor and Delta Trinsic models lead the pack with their smart and touchless capabilities. The KOHLER Sensate is a top choice for those prioritizing cleaning power and sensor responsiveness. If industrial style with compact functionality is what you're after, the Kraus Bolden delivers at a competitive price point. Grohe Zedra offers a balance of aesthetics and innovation, while the Hansgrohe Metris Select brings ergonomic control and high-quality construction. For installation, most of these faucets are designed with DIY in mind, and manufacturers provide detailed instructions to guide you through the process. That said, if you're entirely new to plumbing, it's always wise to have a professional on hand, or at least consult online tutorials to ensure a smooth and successful setup. Whichever faucet you choose, these top contenders are sure to elevate your kitchen experience in 2025. Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comments which product caught your eye. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great Smart Shop HQ product reviews.